Hi, this is Surya Aditya. We are here to discuss one of the famous mathematician from India, remarkably genius mathematician of all time, and it is Srinivasa Ramanujan, and he was such a phenomenal mathematician of all time. And Srinivas Ramanujan wrote a letter to one of his great mathematician, G.H.Hardy. He mentioned in his letter that he was working as a clerk in the account department of the Port Trust office at Madras on a salary of only £20 per annum. He also says on his letter that he was no university education, but he has undergone the ordinary school course. After leaving school, he says he has been employing the spare time at his disposal to work at mathematics. He mentioned on his letter that he has made special investigation of divergence series. That is what a divergence series in general, and the result he get are termed by the local mathematician as startling. Well, with G.H. Hardy here, G.H. Hardy was a math professor at Trinity College, Cambridge University. He Ramanujan find him in such a way, sending the letter, and Ramanujan was a mathematical genius, remarkably mathematician, phenomenal mathematician. Finally, G.H. Hardy invited Srinivasa Ramanujan to work with him. G.H. Hardy already received 120 theorems from Ramanujan in the first two letters. Srinivasa Ramanujan has sent two letters to G.H. Hardy, and we're going to discuss of his astounding theorem, that is the sum of all positive numbers, positive integers, is equal to negative of 1 by 12. Isn't it astounding? We're going to discuss and we're gonna solve this one the way Ramanujan did on his letter. Okay, let's begin. Let us suppose let the series is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus up to infinity, and if we multiply the series with 4, we get this one. We shifted the digits in such a way, we form it 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus up to infinity. And if we subtract the first series from B, C minus 4C, 1 minus 2, we get 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6 up to infinity. What is we here? Minus 3C is equal to 1 minus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 minus 6 up to infinity. Okay, now we need to figure it out, this series. Okay, this series, let us suppose the series is S. The series is S. Okay, S is equal 1 minus 2 plus 3, this is minus, okay, minus 4 plus 5 minus 6 plus up to infinity. Up to infinity. If we add the series with itself, again add the series with itself, and we put the number in such a way that we shifted the term, we put the series from the second term, 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus up to infinity. 2s is equal to 1 minus, we add both, 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus up to infinity, and now we need to figure it out, this series. Suppose this series is S1. Okay, S1 is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus up to infinity, and we add the series, we add it with itself. 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus infinity. This is 2s1 is equal to 1. All term will be cancelled. Okay, now this implies s1 is equal to, we get the value half. Now put the value of s1 in this series. What do you get? 2s is equal to s1, that is half. This implies s is equal to 1 by 4. Now put the value of s on this series. Okay, what do you get? Minus 3c is equal to, the value of s is 1 by 4 wow, this is equal to minus 1 by 12. Therefore we get the value of c, that is 1 plus, therefore 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus up to infinity, minus 1 by 12. This is what Srinivas Ramanujan have proved it. This is a divergence series. He already mentioned about the divergence series, that he get the result. So this is the result. The sum of all positive integers is equal to negative of 1 by 12. This one, the problem. This one. Isn't it very interesting? He's solving this way. And we are going to discuss one more problem from his notebook. That is about the infinite series. And the series is like this. One under root 1 plus 2 1 plus 3 under root 1 plus 4 1 plus up to infinity. He says the value of this series is equal to 3, and his argument is like this. 3 is equal to under root 9, that is 1 plus 8, that is 1 plus 2 into 4, okay, 2 into 4, that is 1 plus 2 into the square root of 4 is 16. Now 1 plus 2, 16 is 1 plus 15. 1 plus 2 root 1 plus 3 into 5, 1 plus 2 under root 1 plus the square root of 25 is 5, 25, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3 under root 24 is 1 plus 24, 1 plus 2 under root 1 plus 3, 1 plus 4, 6 24, that is 1 plus 2 under root 1 plus 3 under root 1 plus 4 under root, this is 36, and it goes like this, and finally we get a value, and he says under root of 1 plus 2, root of 1 plus 3, root of 1 plus 4, 1 plus that up to infinity is the value is 3, and he gave the solution. On his notebook, the question number 289 from his notebook, and here is the result, and he solved it. And another most interesting fact we are going to discuss here is once you get a result, once G.H.Hardy went to see him when he was ill at Putney. He was ill at Putney. G.H.Hardy went to see him while he was ill, and G.H.Hardy had ridden a taxi cab, and the taxi cab number was 17 and 29. The taxi cab number 17 and 29. Taxi cab number 1729, and G.H.Hardy remarked that the number seemed to G.H.Hardy rather a dull one, and he said to Ramanujan that he hoped it was not favorable. At the time, Ramanujan replied that his reply is like this: no, it's not. The number 1729, it's not a dull number. It's interesting one. It's a very interesting one, and it is the smallest number expressed as the sum of two cubes into different way. And and this number can be expressible as sum of two cubes. That is 1729 is equal to 1 cube plus 12 cube, or 9 cube plus 10 cube. He gave this, and this number is also called Ramanujan number. Ramanujan number and Ramanujan-Hardy number. Ramanujan-Hardy number. There we go. Hope you enjoyed the video. This is pretty interesting. Ramanujan's this invention about prime numbers on infinite series are very remarkable, and hope you enjoyed the video. Please like the video, comment on it, and please subscribe it. Thank you so much.